Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, for today's video I'm going to be curating this makeup look here, and this video is kindly sponsored by MAVEN Beauty / Fashion Nova. So they were also kind enough to provide me with some makeup products, and these are the makeup products that I'm going to be using in today's tutorial to create this makeup look. But anyway guys, if you want to know how I created this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Hi. Okay my lovelies, so the first product I'm going to be taking is the MAVEN Beauty Basic Beat Eyeshadow Base, and this is in the shade Coquito. So I've actually been using this wee eyeshadow base recently for my eyeshadow base. Yeah. Oh, that was a wee bit much. They're basically a cream eyeshadow, but they can also be used as like an eyeshadow base. And I have been using it quite recently with numerous different palettes, not just the MAVEN Beauty palettes, and it does actually perform quite well. So, and I really do love this shade, the shade Coquito, because it's absolutely perfect for me. So the first palette from MAVEN Beauty I'm taking is the Basic Beat Medium Blend palette, and I actually just think I'm going to take this wee shade here. I'm just going to be running that just through the crease. I literally just want something just ran through my crease, just to add a wee bit of like definition to like the inner portion of the eye, because I think this makeup look I'm really wanting to focus all the smokiness and darkness at the outer corner, or at the outer edge, sorry. So I'm also going to be blending it slightly into the inner corner, but I'm not really going to have much going on in there, but I still want there to be a wee bit of depth in that crease, just so it doesn't look so flat. And then for my main palette today, I'm going to be using the Define palette, this one here. I've actually used this the most out of all of them. Well, more so this one as well for like my transitional shades, but I absolutely love this wee palette here. First off, I'm going to go in with this shade here. Just mainly focusing this just at the outer corner first of all, not blending anything just yet. I'm just going to be pressing that shadow on, also bringing it up to the crease. I'm also wanting this to be winged out, so just using that brush I'm just going to create my shape by winging it out. I'm going to take the tiniest bit of this shade here, tap off the excess, and I'm now just going to go in and start blending at this. I can't even explain what I'm doing right now. I swear. But obviously, as I was saying, like, we're not applying anything into the inner corner. Like, it's all going to be focused at the outer corner. I'm still wanting there to be a gradual fade there from the inner corner out to the outer corner. So I'm just going to slightly blend this over. So next up, I'm just going to take the black shade. Ooh. So I'm obviously not blending this black up as high as the first shade that we took. I'm still going to be slightly winging that out. And then to blend this out, I'm going to be taking this wee precise blending brush from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. So I'm just going to be using this tiny brush just to blend this black out, because I'm just wanting to be quite precise when I am blending it out. I'm not wanting to blend it up too high or anything. I kind of feel like that black literally just blended itself out. Okay, so I think I'm next off just going to be taking the Naked Cherry palette from Urban Decay and take Bing, which is this shade here. Gonna go back into the black again and just deepen that up again. I swear, I cannot believe how easy that black blends out. That's crazy. Also from the Naked Cherry palette, I'm going to take Hotspot, this shade here. Just going to take this on a big blendy brush, and I'm just wanting to brighten that inner corner a wee bit. So I'm just going to be patting this just all over the inner corner of the lid. I don't know what it is, but I seem to go so quiet whenever I'm doing like these makeup tutorials. It's so funny, like I just get so concentrated on the makeup that I'm literally sitting here in pure silence and I literally forget to like talk to you, and I'm editing through my videos and I'm like nearly putting myself to sleep. So now I'm just going to be taking the time just to go back between the shades and see what I want more of. If I want a wee bit more black, if I want to intensify it a wee bit more, if I want to blend it a wee bit more with any of the burgundy shades or something, or if I want to bring it further, or if I want to blend it more into the inner corner, or whatever, just whatever you think. Again, just in with this wee blending brush. I'm not going to take any more product on it, but I'm just going to give that all just another wee blend. Like you can definitely see how it's really starting to like come together a wee bit more now. Oh, what brush did I use to do that? So just going to Okay guys, so that is the first half of the face makeup done. I just wanted to quickly get that over and done with instead of like dragging it on, because I don't know, I sometimes feel like doing my base makeup is so boring sometimes, because you all know my routine by this stage. And now I'm going to highlight using this MAVEN Beauty highlighter in Draped Up. This has to be my favourite shade out of the two. So there's Draped Up and Dripped Out, I think it's called. But I absolutely love this one. This one's more suited for my skin tone. It's the lighter one out of the two, whereas the other one's a wee bit more golden toned. Still really, really beautiful, but it's just a wee bit too dark for me, I think. But it just has the most gorgeous sheen, and it just melts in so beautifully to the skin. I usually like to go on, like especially this time of year, with another highlight, you know, 'tis the season, but I just kind of find that it is so beautifully intense. Like obviously you can be a wee bit more subtle with it, but because I am extremely heavy-handed with absolutely everything in life, of course I have to make it extremely intense. I have it like absolutely blinding, but you are able to have it like quite nice and subtle. And then for my blush, look how tatty this wig is. What even is going on? Do you know what it is? It's oh my god, do you know what it is? It's this hoodie. This velour hoodie. It's like messing up my hair at the back so much. Oh god. And then for blush, do you know, at this point I'm not even going to apologise for using this blusher. This is the L'Oreal Life's a Peach blush. I honestly thought 100% I'm going to have this blusher done by either Christmas or New Year. And there is no hope. I swear. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Again, I'm just using this wee bronzer today just to use it up, and this is the shade Bronzer. Oh, it makes me laugh so much. Must have taken such a long time to think up that shade name. I'm also obsessed with how this has actually turned out. I absolutely love it. I love it so, so much. I think it would look so, so good also with like a berry toned lip. Like this colour. Oh yes. But I'm not going to do that today. But yeah, I think it would actually look really nice. I was actually even thinking of doing red, but I think it'll just clash. It'll just look like too much, but I love it. This is the Toffee lip liner from Primark. What's new? And then of course going to be taking the Maven Beauty lipstick, and this is in the shade Sus. It's either Sus or Sus. S-U-S. Oh, I love that colour. It's actually a really, really nice colour for like an everyday nude. Okay, going in with the Define palette. I'm going to be taking this purplish shade here. And I'm going to be applying this just quite tight to the lower lash line. I'm actually going to make this quite smoky as well. And then I'm also going to take the shade Bing from the Cherry palette. Tap off some of the excess. Okay, my loves, so do you know what, I actually think that that's basically us finished, but I feel like doing something a wee bit more extra because obviously with it being Christmas and all that. So I have here these glow kits from Anastasia. I have the Moonchild glow kit and the Aurora glow kit, and I also have the Dream glow kit. So I was actually looking at them off camera there, and I actually want to put something on my brow bone and in my inner corner. I think we'll probably use this shade here. So I'm wanting something like pink, so in case I didn't actually mention there. So that one would look quite nice. Ethereal, that's actually my most used shade actually. Oh no, I'll tell you a lie, unicorn is. So do you know what, actually I'm gonna actually use unicorn. Oh yes. Yeah, see the Anastasia glow kits, they are honestly so beautiful, like especially the coloured ones. And like as you guys know, like I'm definitely not one for using coloured highlighter on the face, but see these highlighters on the eyes or the brow bone or the inner corner or over the lids, they're absolutely gorgeous. They're so good. And of course if you are doing like a particular look or you're wanting to be a wee bit fun or play a wee bit outside the box, they're obviously nice on the skin as well, but I mainly use them for like my eye makeup looks, and they're honestly so nice. This actually even would have been really nice, like pressed into the inner corner as well. So literally just on the tip of the brush, and I'm just gonna hit that right at that brow bone. Where is my arch on this eyebrow? Ooh, I really like that actually. Oh! So I don't know if you have noticed or not, but I finally got my eyebrows done. So I can like really put a lot of shadow up here and it will not go patchy. Yay! Okay guys, so that's it for this tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. Absolutely love how this eye makeup looks. I really loved the fact that I actually added the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit to the brow bone and the inner corner. I just think it really actually added a wee bit of spice to it. 'Tis the season to be blinding and sparkling with the glitter and everything. I absolutely love it. So yeah, and of course, as I was saying at the start of the video, this video was kindly sponsored by Maven Beauty / Fashion Nova. So thank you so much to them for providing me with these products and also for sponsoring today's video. So of course, all the products that I did use will be listed and linked down below in the description box, with a direct link also to the website as well. And of course, don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter. There will also be a link listed down below as well. But anyway guys, again, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you're all staying safe and well. Please be kind, look after yourselves and each other, and I shall see you in my next video.